cannot thank you enough for rescuing me from this place. I suspect I'd never again see the light of day otherwise. But why would you risk your life for me, a stranger? Of course, I should have known. This was all Abelstein's idea, wasn't it? Where is he? A wise decision, but I fear he may not be safe there anymore. They'll go looking for me, and Whiterun will be the first place they search. I cannot stay. Not here. Not in Whiterun. It likely won't be safe for Abelstein either. Our best hope now is to fall in with the ranks of the Stormcloaks. But would you do me a favor? Tell my mother to suffer the winter's cold wind, for it bears aloft next summer's seeds. She'll know what it means. I thank you again, friend. You've given me my life back.
Got some good pieces out here if you're looking to buy.
I'm
More
right
inside.
behind you. What do you want me to carry? You lead, I'll follow.
I don't claim to be the best. Looking to protect yourself or deal some damage? Don't forget to check inside the shop if you need anything. That's some good armor you put together.
I work for Bellathor at the general goods store.
I need trinkets for your good lady. All crafted by the great Eorlund, Greymane himself.
Please tell me you have news. Is he? You've saved him? Oh, I must see him at once. What? After all this, I can't even see him? How do I know you're telling me the truth, and not just what I want to hear? For it bears aloft next summer's seeds. That's my boy. So it's true then. For now it's enough to know that he's alive. I can find peace in that. Thank you, dear friend. You've given me back my son. I'd had Eorlund forge this for Thorald. It was to be a present for his return. I suppose he can't have it now. Why don't you take it? We can always make another for the day when this war ends and Thorald can come home. Trinkets, odds and ends, that sort of thing. You take care of yourself now.
I mostly deal with petty thievery and drunken brawls. Been too long since we've had a good time.
I need trinkets.
Stay away from that.
Yeah, I'd even buy one of your relatives if you're looking to sell. Interest. On the one hand, but on the... All that matters is that I have, oh, a bit of this and a bit of that. Do come back.
Bits and baubles for sale, all crafted by the best blacksmith in Skyrim.
Come on in. Let me know if you need anything, or take a seat by the fire and I'll send someone over.
Are you sure? Oh no. They found me? I need your help, please. Come with me. I need to speak to you privately. Quickly, come with me. So, are you working with them? You think you can take me? You so much as touch me and you're going to lose fingers. I need something. So the Alik'r know where I am? What did they offer you? Gold? How many more of them are coming? Tell me. Then I need your help, and there isn't anyone else I can trust here in the city. There will be. Of that, you can be assured. I am not the person that the people of Whiterun think I am. My real name is Eamon. I am a noble of House Suda in Hammerfell. The men who are looking for me, the Alik'r, they are assassins in the employ of the Aldmeri Dominion. They wish to exchange my blood for gold. I need you to root them out and drive them away before they find me and drag me back to Hammerfell for an execution. They're mercenaries, only in it for the money. They're led by a man named Kamatu. Get rid of him, and the rest will scatter. I don't dare show my face, lest they recognize me. So you'll have to find out where they are. I heard one of them was just arrested trying to sneak into the city. If he's locked up in the jail, perhaps you can get it out of him. Please, I know I'm asking you to do something difficult, maybe even dangerous. I just don't know who else I can trust. Find me the moment the Alik'r are taken care of.
Oh, you talk and you lie and you drink all our mead. Now I think it's high time that you lied.
Watch the skies, traveler.
They can barely tolerate our presence on Earth. Today, they take away.
Those two at it again?
This should be
A
Just
fight.
keep moving.
You'll wear them out.
Ha! Hey, watch it! Get in there and push! I'm sure I'll curse you! Yeah!
Die, damn you!
Get him! Kill him!
Must have scared him off.
What is it? So you think you have what it takes? Huh. Lucky for you, I'm not the one who makes that decision. Talk to Thorald. Who knows? Maybe he's in a generous mood. All right then.
My brother Vilkas is a better talker than me. He should be around someplace.
Oh, I...
But I still hear the call of the blood.
We all do. It is our burden to bear. But we can overcome.
You have my brother and I, obviously. But I don't know if the rest will go along quite so easily.
Leave that to me. A stranger comes to our hall. Would you now? Here, let me have a look at you. Yes, perhaps. A certain strength of spirit.
Master, you're not truly considering accepting her.
I am nobody's master, Vilkas. And last I checked, we had some empty beds in Jorvaskr for those with a fire burning in their hearts.
Apologies. But perhaps this isn't the time. I've never even heard of this outsider.
Sometimes the famous come to us. Sometimes men and women come to us to seek their fame. It makes no difference. What matters is their heart.
And their arm.
Of course. How are you in battle, girl? That may be so. This is Vilkas. He will test your arm. Vilkas, take her out to the yard and see what she can do.
Aye.
Haven't seen your face before. I'm watching you. This is a place for warriors, new blood. What brings you here?
The old man said to have a look at you. So, let's do this.
You're to be a companion?
Have a few swings
Well, they
at
just
me
let
so I can
me
see
in,
your
so
form.
there's probably no more
Don't
room.
worry, I can take it. Never should have come
I could
here.
take her.
There you go. You're mine! Not bad. Next time won't be so easy. You might just make it. But for now, you're still a whelp to us, new blood.
This is your last mistake. What brings you here? I'm guessing you're the newcomer. Oh, don't worry too much about it. They were all whelps once. They just might not like to talk about it. And don't always just do what you're told. Nobody rules anybody in the companions. Well, I'm not sure how they've managed it, but they have. No leader since Ysgramor. Kodlak is the Harbinger, and he's a sort of advisor for the whole group. But every man is his own, every woman her own. I have a favor to ask. I've been working on a shield for Aela. My wife is in mourning, and I need to get back to her soon. I'd be much obliged if you could take this to Aela for me. Well done.
But it can be harder to balance a strike.
What's on your mind?
Oh, I'm just a servant, dear. You want to talk to one of the companions, I'm sure.
If you wish to hunt with me, your feet need to be quick and your eyes quicker. Ysgramor himself wouldn't have the patience to deal with all the rabble around here. Ah, good. I've been waiting for this. Wait, I remember you. So the old man thinks you've got some heart, I guess.
You know this one? I saw her training in the yard with Vilkas.
Ah, yes. I heard you gave him quite a thrashing.
Don't let Vilkas catch you saying that.
Do you think you could handle Vilkas in a real fight? Ah, a woman who lets her actions speak for her. I knew there was something I liked about you. Here, let's have Farkas show you where you'll be resting your head.
Farkas. Did you call me?
Of course we did, Ice Brain. Show this new blood where the rest of the whelps sleep.
New blood? Oh, I remember you. Come on, follow me.
Need something?
Skjor and Aela like to tease me, but they're
all
good
these
people.
younglings scampering around.
They challenge us to be our
Worried
best.
one of them is going to take your place?
Some of them might try.
Nice to have a new face
That's not what
around.
I'm worried
It gets
about.
boring here sometimes.
What then?
I hope
They
we
might
keep
get
you.
themselves killed.
This can be a rough life.
By you?
The quarters are up here.
They should
just
be so
pick a
lucky.
bed and fall in it when you're tired. Telma will keep the place clean. She always has.
What kind of
All right, so here you are. Looks like the others are eager to meet you.
blades.
Come to me or Aela if you're looking
Yes,
for
you're
work.
very fond of saying
Once you've
that.
made a bit of a
You know
name
I
for
like
yourself,
hammers and
Skjor and
axes.
Vilkas might have things for you to
slow.
do.
I can
Good
get in
luck.
and out before you
Welcome
have
to the
one swing.
companions.
Let's test that out.
By the way, if you're looking for something to do, we've got trouble right here in Whiterun Hold. Nothing we can't handle. Nothing but a bunch of lonely bandits. Cowards who will take little effort. Excellent. Show them no mercy. By the way, if you're looking for something to do, Skjor says that I have the strength of Ysgramor, and my brother has his smarts.
If the Circle vouches for you, I'm sworn to respect their judgment. But that doesn't mean I like it. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Oh, hey there. I killed a bear yesterday. Did you kill anything? Until next time.
Might head down to the meadery later, see what they're brewing up. You can smell the honey on the wind. Until next time.
I avoid going to Eastmarch if I can. Something in the air. I think it's just too close to the border. Safe travels.
What are you staring at?
Some people don't think I'm smart. Those people... Getting tired of hanging around, huh?
There's a rift here in Skyrim. Can neither magic nor the passing of time.
Door. Wares and weapons, all for sale at fair prices.
Need something? Yes? Yes?
In the company of the companions. That's an honorable path you're on, friend.
I've got your back. What do you want me to carry? got your back. What do you want me to carry? Lead up.
Ah, hello, What are you hunting? Never mind. I don't want to know. Thank you very much for your business.
I've got your back. What do you want me to carry? Let's get going then.
Hello, friend. An archer, huh? I've got just what you need. Farewell.
Yes?